Alright, let's make homemade cheeseburger, you guys. Italian herbs, chicken spice. Make a nice patty out of it. Mix everything. Toast the bread. Look at this beautiful patty. On hot oil, olive oil, onions. Spice them up also. Flip the patty after 2 minutes. Flip the onions. Now put the cheese on top. Beautiful. Add the egg. This is our breakfast homemade cheeseburger. Cover with lid. Crunchy bread. Mayo and mustard is our simple sauce. Now top it up with parsley and some tomatoes. Beautiful. Look how melted that cheese is. Wow. Egg goes first on top. Now the cheeseburger patty. Carefully build it up. And now the onions. Wow, beautiful. Top it up. Look at this towering on your table from all sides. So delicious. Wow, look at that. Nice. Yummy. Let's try it. Yum. Like, share, and subscribe, my friend.